Once your channel gets accepted into the YouTube partner program, and you successfully monetize your channel, the next step is very crucial. Firstly, you need to turn on monetization for each and every of your video. And for videos that are longer than 8 minutes, you need to put at strategically to maximize your revenue. So this tutorial will guide you through the entire process to help you make the most out of your channel. Also, I'm going to be showing you more ways to make money once your channel gets monetized. So let's get started. So this is my YouTube page. The next thing I'm going to do is to come to this place here that you have your YouTube logo, then click on YouTube Studio. Once the YouTube Studio is open, come to your left hand side and click on N. Then here you see a lot of options for monetization, which is a watch paid ad. You have overview here. From the overview, there is a lot of things I have here from this overview. And you have watch paid ad, you have short feed ad, and you have membership, super chat, and shopping. Membership and super chat is available once you get 500 subscribers and there are 3,000 watch hours. This membership and super chat, super sticker, and the rest will come up. When you get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, that is when this watch paid ad will pop up. So I'm going to come down here, see watch paid ad. I'm going to say get started, and it will bring me to this page. Once it brings me to this page, I will click on this turn on. Then here you get to review and read the watch paid ad monetization model. Then come down, read everything through, content watch page, YouTube play, and the rest. When you come down, you click on this I accept the watch page terms and say click on accept and next. Then this is going to bring you to this place. Like as you can see here, the location of ad and the type of ad are already automated, so there's nothing you are going to do here. Rather than if you also come to this place, you will see place ad during a video mid-roll. These terms also here is being ticked because it's necessary, and I think it is here because it's necessary. So if you uncheck it, it's going to affect whatever you are going to do, whatever ad that is going to play on your video. So you are going to leave everything like this as it comes, and then say next. Then here you say watch videos. Which video do you want to monetize? You have to leave it to all of my existing videos. Why? Because if you want to uncheck it, that means you're going to be adding your monetization. You're going to be adding your ad one after the other. That means you're going to be adding your ad manually. Like as you can see it here, this is it. If once you allow this to be checked, it's going to be like this. But once you uncheck it, it's going to be a process that you will do manually. So I'm going to leave this one like this, and I will say monetize all. I'm going to click on monetize all. As you can see here, it said monetizing your video. So it's going to take time. So you are earning from ad and YouTube premium on the watch page. Then here, if I want to see my analytics, so let's check if the monetization have if the dollar sign have showed on the video. Come back to your content. Okay, they say updating videos. No, it's safe to navigate away. You say 119 of. Okay, as you can see, the monetization button has been turned on. So let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. So I'm going to make this row per page 50, so that I will see what is happening here. Okay, 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 okay. So this is 50, and I know I have more videos. Let me check. Let me come to this place. The monetization button has been turned on, as you can see. Thank you for watching, and please do well to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.